Hello there, this is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky, and today we're looking at Affinity Designer. There have been some people who have been asking if it's possible to cut out things from a raster image and delete the background in Affinity Designer, and it is possible. So let's have a go and see how we do it. Well, the first thing to do is to go up to the pixel persona, and in the pixel persona we're looking for the selection brush tool. So there's our selection brush tool. And I'm going to get in a bit closer to this here because we're going to get this fish and basically just brush over the top of this here. Use a slightly larger brush there to grab it quicker. As you can see, it's grabbed a bit more than what I wanted, so we're going to have to do a bit of changing with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the brush smaller, and then I'm going to use the brush tool here to grab that bit there. And there's a bit of C that's in there, so I'm going to use the Option key and click on this. That pulls it back again. I still need to just get that wee bit there. You might have to just do a bit of messing about with this just to get it exactly as you want. I don't want to have this bit here selected, so again the Option key. And then there's this bit over here which I need to sort out as well. Look, now the other thing that you might want to do if it's got a sort of detailed sort of area around the edge of it is you might just want to go to the refine thing over here. So if I click on refine, it's refining the selection, and then there's any places where it's not done a very good job of it, you can go over that area and just it will do a better job in just those specific areas. Okay, so we've got that selected. Now what do we want to do? We want the fish there. We don't want all the rest of it around there, so let's just apply this refinement first of all. What I need to do is I need to go into this and to do a select and invert pixel selection. So I've got the invert pixel selection selected, and then I'm going to go to the erase brush tool. Get a nice big erase brush here. I'm selecting that area here. And basically I got rid of the background there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to invert the selection again. So let's go to invert pixel selection. I can do a copy. So let's go to edit and copy. Okay, so I've got another image up there now. I want to put that other thing into this one here, so I'm going to do edit and do paste. And it's in. Let's just turn it around a little bit. And do a little bit more erasing on this here. So let's get the erase tool out again. So I go to pixel persona. And in the pixel persona I need the erase tool. And it's erasing everything. I don't want everything erased. It's because the erase tool is too large. Let's bring it right down. I'll erase this off the bottom here. Bring the erase tool down a bit more as well. Okay, so that's got possibilities now. Obviously, if you was going to do some stuff with this here, you'd spend a bit of time working on this here, put in shadows and things like that, make it sort of fit into the picture a bit better. But that's how easy it is to do some deletion of background using Affinity Designer. I haven't had to go into Affinity Photo at all, but I could have done if I wanted to. This is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky. Have some fun with your Affinity applications. Bye bye now. Talk to you again soon.